I just want to show you how you can sell digital downloads in 2 easy steps. So I want you to go in your Shopify store, go to the apps page, install this app, Downloadable Digital Assets. You can do that by clicking this button here. Once you've done it, click onto the app, go to the assets page, click Upload New Assets. So you can drag and drop the files directly here, or you can click on this Upload Your Files button. I've prepared 3 files, so I'll upload them. Once it's green, they're uploaded. You can also upload via Dropbox links or Google Drive links by using this button here. But for now, we're just going to do it this way. Then I want you to go to the products page. You can see I've already got products here. So all your products and variants are synced automatically from Shopify. So I want you to click onto a product, let's say PDF, and then now you can see all the assets we just uploaded. So you can actually click all 3 of them if you want to. Click attach, and that's it. That's all you need to do to attach assets to products. Go back to the products page. We can attach them to t-shirt large. Let's attach t-shirt JPEG as an example. Attach. Done. If you go back to the products page, you can see the attached assets here. So there's 1 on this one. There's 3 attached to this one. There is another way you can attach assets to products. You can go to the assets page, click on one of the assets, and then here you can attach this asset to products. Click attach, and there you go. That asset is now attached to all of these products. Once you've attached all your assets to your products, when an order comes into your store, your customers will automatically be sent a download email with the download links inside. If you want to customize the app further, I want you to go to the settings page, and then here you can customize all the different types of settings. You can edit the email templates, the PDF templates for PDF stamping. You can add limitations to downloads, such as restricting the customers to only download from a number of IP addresses. You can customize the checkout box. You can display download links on the checkout page. You can display the download links in the customer accounts. You can disable all order download emails in case you just want to show them in the accounts. You can add your own email address to send the emails. If you ever get stuck, go to the support section. You can check our FAQ, or you can simply just write a message, hello, click send, and we'll reply to you as quick as possible. You'll be talking directly to the app developers, which is me and Ben. If there's any issues, just let us know and we'll jump straight on it.